Good morning, my dear students. Sequences and series continues. GP is there. Lecture number 10. I will start example number 17. Example number 17. The sum of first three terms of a GP is 39 by 10 and their product is 1 and their product is 1. Find the common ratio and the terms listen here, students. The sum of first three terms is 39 by 10 and their product is 1. Find a common ratio and their terms. Here solution. First three terms of GP. Three terms of GP. Take GP and its sum means this is add. This is the product, multiplication. A plus AR plus. Here this is in the form of what? Here terms, three terms of GP, A by R, AR. This is the three terms. And it should be sum. Take A by R plus A plus A into R is equal to 39 by 10. Equation number 1. And product, sum is over. This is sum is over. Next product is what? A by R, A into AR is equal to 1. R get cancel. A cube is equal to 1 cube. A value is what? 1. Substitute A in equation number 1. If A is equal to 1, here equation number 1, put 1 by R plus 1 plus R is equal to 39 by 10. Apply LCM. LCM is what? R. Here absent R. 1 plus R square is equal to 39 by 10. Next, cross multiplication. 10 plus 10R plus 10R square is equal to 39R. Here LCM is over. Next cross multiplication. 10R square. R take right side. 39R. Simplify. 10R square. Let's take left. 10 minus 39 minus 29R plus 10 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. 100 can express 25 into 4. 10R square minus 25R minus 4R plus 10 is equal to 0. These two. 5R taking common. 2r minus 5 minus 2 taking common, 2r minus 5 is equal to 0. Here 2r minus 5 is equal to 0, 5r minus 2 is equal to 0. Two terms. R value 5 by 2, R value 2 by 5. Terms, therefore terms, number of terms A by R, AR is there. Terms A by R, AR. A is what? 1. R is what? 5 by 2 is what? 2 by 5. A is 1. Next, A into R, 2 by 5. Here A by R is there, 5 by 2 becomes 2 by 5. Next, another one is there, 2 by 5 take A by R, 5 by 2, 1, and another one is there, A into R, 2 by 5. One more is there, 1 into 2 by 5, 2 by 5. Here, this one, this is first one, 5 by 2. Here terms is there, that is here first one, A take 1, first R take 5 by 2. A by R, 5 by 2 becomes 2 by 5, 1 and 5 by 2. Second one, A by R is there, 2 by 5 becomes 5 by 2, 1 and 2 by 5. These are the terms. Any doubt? Next, example number 18. Given a GP with A is equal to 729, and seventh term is 64. Determine S7. Determine S7. Solution. Given A is equal to 729 and seventh term is 64, and S7 is equal to what? Here T7 is equal to 64. T7 is equal to 64. A into R to the power 6 is equal to 64. A is there, A is 729, A is what? 729. R power 6 is equal to 64. This is A value. R power 6 is equal to 64 divided by 729. R power 6 is equal to 2 by 3 whole power 6. By the law of indices, that is, power should be same. Here x power A is equal to y power A, which implies x is equal to y. Here that is R value is what? 2 by 3. R value 2 by 3 less than 1. R value is what? 2 by 3 less than 1. Determine S7. R is there, A is there, S7 determine. S7 find out. Sn is equal to A times 1 minus R to the power n divided by 1 minus R. Here n replace 7. S7 is equal to A is what? 729. 1 minus 2 by 3 whole to the power 7 divided by 1 minus 2 by 3 is equal to 729 3 power 6 1 minus 2 power 7 3 power 7 divided by 1 minus 2 by 3 is what? 1 by 3. This 3 take it up 3 power 6 1 by 3. This 3 take up 3 power 7. S7 is equal to, this implies 3 power 6 into 3. 1 minus, apply. This is apply LCM. LCM is what? 3 power 7 is the LCM. Here 3 power 7, 2 power 7. 3 power 7. Clear? Understood? Here same base power should be added. 3 power 7 minus 2 power 7 divided by 3 power 7. 3 power 7 get cancelled. 3 power 7 minus 2 power 7 value is what? That is 3 power 7 is what? 729 into 3 is there. Here calculate 2059. This is the answer. Listen here. A is 729, T7 is 64 and S7 is equal to what? T7 is equal to 64. This is given. Seventh term is A into R to the power 6. 64 as it is. A value is what? 729. R power 6 is equal to 64. Take right 64 by 729. 2 by 3 power 6. Here powers are same, base equal. R is equal to 2 by 3, always less than 1. Sn formula apply. Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R to the power n divided by 1 minus R. A value, R value, N value substitute. This is. Here R is 2 by 3, power N is 7 is there. 1 minus 2 by 3 is what? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 take at up 3 by 1. 3 power 6, 1 3, 3 power 7. And LCM is 3 power 7. 3 power 7 get cancelled. Simplify. That is the 2059 is the answer. That is here next example number 19. Example number 19. Example number 19. The sum of first 3 terms of a GP is 16 and the sum of next 3 terms. Next 3 terms. Next 3 terms is 128. Determine the first term. First term common ratio. Determine the first term common ratio and sum to n terms of the GP of the GP. Here sum of first three terms and sum of next three terms is, this sum means, this is sum means add, this sum means add, understood? Determine first term means A, and listen here, common ratio means R, sum to n terms of GP means Sn, this is Sn. Clear, understood? Sum of first three terms, add three terms is 16, and next three terms add 128. Determine, find out A, R and Sn. These three terms find out. Solution. Listen carefully. In previous example number 17 is what? Sum of the first term is given and their product is 1. If product is 1, take the terms A by R, A, AR. But here any product is there? No product. That terms take. Let sum of first three terms, let A plus AR plus AR square in the form of GP series, GP of the first three terms is equal to 16, equation number 1. Next is what? Next three terms is add, next continue, AR cube, next continue, next sum of three terms take, AR cube into A into R to the power 4 into A into R to the power 5 is equal to 128, equation number 2. Here this is R cube taking common, R cube taking common, remaining is what? A plus AR plus AR cube, AR square is equal to 128. This is refer from equation number 1, substitute is equal to what? 16. R cube as it is, this value is what? 16 is equal to 128. R cube is equal to 128 divided by 16. 16 is 128. R cube is equal to 2 cube. 2 cube is what? 8. Therefore, R is equal to what? 2. Yes, R is our common ratio is complete. Next, A find out. Equation number 1 implies A plus AR square is equal to 16. Substitute R value. Here A as it is plus R is equal to 2 take. 2A plus 4A is equal to 16. Total how many A's? 7A is equal to 16. A value 16 by 7. Yes. Next A is over, R is over. Next to determine S7. We know that Sn is equal to A times, if R is greater than 1, here R to the power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. S7, n replace 7. A is what? 16 by 7. R is what? 2. N is what? 7 minus 1. R is what? 2 minus 1? 1. This is the Sn. Determine Sn. That is here one more, another one example. Example number next is there. If any doubt, here sum of the first three terms. Sum of the first three terms here, previous example is there, A by R, A, AR, that is there. Here sum of the first three terms GP means what? GP series take, A, AR, AR square. Here a previous example number 17 is different, this is different. If any product is 1, yes, take A by R, A, AR. If any product is there, no, direct general term of GP. Here A plus AR square is equal to 16, this is given. AR cube, sum of next three terms, AR cube plus A into R to the power 4 plus A into R to the power 5 is equal to 128. Here this is R cube taking common, this is the term is there, this is what given, value is 16. Here this simplify, R cube is equal to 128 by 16, 16 8s are, R cube is 2 cube, R is 2 greater than 1. Here equation 1 take A plus AR square is equal to 16, R value substitute, 7A is equal to 16, A value is 16, A is there, R is there, N is there, S7 determine. This is 3 marks, carefully write. Next, example number 20, 18, 19, this one is over. Next, example number 20. Next, example number 20, 20. If pith, qth and arth terms of a GP are A, B and C respectively. Prove that A power Q minus R, B power R minus P into C power P minus Q is equal to 1. Listen here, that is solution. Let A be the first term, and R be the common ratio, common ratio of GP respectively. Here that is first one TP, pth term is what? A into R to the power P minus 1. Respectively it is given, respectively is equation number 1. Respectively it is 1. Here qth term, qth term is what? A into R to the power Q minus 1 respectively is equal to B. Equation number 2. Third term TR is equal to A into R to the power R minus 1 is equal to respectively C. Equation number 3. Now I will take capital A, capital R means already here A, B, C respectively in question. That's the reason consider capital A and capital R. Already A is there, B is there, C is there and small r is there. That reason change capital A and capital R. This is in the form of GP form. All the term of GP form is there. Understood? Prove that what? Take LHS side. Here LHS side is what? LHS side in the form of what? That is LHS side. LHS is equal to A to the power Q minus R into B to the power R minus P r minus p into c to the power p minus q. This is LHS. Refer, this is from equation number 1, from equation number 2, from equation number 3. Substitute is equal to A is what? A into r to the power is what? A into r to the power p minus 1 whole to the power q minus r is what? Next B is what? Here B is there. B is what? A into r to the power q minus 1 whole to the power r minus p. Next C, here C is there. C is what? A into r to the power r minus 1. A into r to the power r minus 1 whole power p minus q. Next simplify A R separate, that is A power by the formula AB whole power m can written A power m B power m, and one more A power m whole power n can written A power m into n, that is the formula. Here A power q minus r. Here r power p minus 1 into q minus r. Clear? Next A power r minus p. Here r to the power q minus 1 into r minus p. Next here A power p minus q into r to the power r minus 1 into p minus q. Product. Here A taking same base. A separate. A power q minus r. Bases are same. Power should be added. Bases are same. Power should be added. A power. And r power. Bases are same. Power should be added. P minus 1 into q minus r plus q minus 1 into r minus p plus p r minus 1 into p minus q. Bases are same. Power should be added. Is equal to, this is A power was q, p, r get cancelled, value is what? 0 into r to the power. Simplify pq minus pr minus q plus r plus qr. Next start qr minus qp minus r plus p. Next rp minus rq minus p plus q. Here get, that is q p r pq qr rp get cancelled. This is what? A power 0 r power 0, any number to the power 0, value is what? 1. This is the, for very important, carefully write, that is here geometric progression, prove that easy. Next example number 21. If the first term, if the first and the nth term of a GP are A and B respectively, and if P is the product of n terms, n terms. Prove that p square is equal to ab whole power n. Solution. Here let a be the first term, a be the first term, and capital R be the common ratio. Capital R be the common ratio. First term and last term is given. First term T1 is equal to small a, Tn is equal to small b, if it is given. That is P means product. Let P means product. Product of GP is equal to A into R into A into R square into A into R cube up to so on A into R to the power n minus 1. That is A term one side, A into up to so on A. Next product R into R square into R cube into up to so on R to the power n minus 1. If there is no power, 1 is there. A power 1 plus same base power should be added. This is R power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to so on plus n minus 1. These two formulas is there. That is here. That is 1 plus 1 is equal to what? N. Here sum of natural number 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to so on n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula. Suppose 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to so on plus n minus 1 formula is what? N minus 1 into n divided by 2. This is the formula. These two formulas apply here. That is a to the power p is equal to a to the power 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus up to so on plus 1 is what? N. Next is what? R to the power here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to so on plus n minus 1 formula is what? N into n minus 1 divided by 2. This is the formula. Next is what? Square on both sides. P square is equal to a power n R power n into n minus 1 divided by 2 whole square. By the law of indices, a power m can return a power m b power m. That is equal to a power n whole power 2 R power n minus 1 divided by 2 whole square is equal to a power 2n, because a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. R power n minus 1 divided by 2 into 2 get cancel. This is next. This a power 2n can return a power n into a power n. Same base power should be added. R power n minus 1. That is here is equal to, that is here a power n a into r power n minus 1 whole power n. This is the first term, this is the last term. First term and last term respectively. First term and last term respectively, a power n b power n is equal to ab whole power n. A power n b power n is equal to ab whole power n. That is, here is there. Let a be the first term, r be the common ratio. Given first term is a, last term is b. That is, product of GP is there. Yes, the nth term, that is the first term. This is respectively p be the product of n terms. Product of n terms, a separate, r separate. A power 1, a power 1, a power 1, same base, power should be added. 1 plus up to so on plus 1 is there. N 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to so on plus n minus 1 formula is what? N into n minus 1 by 2. That is square on both sides, because prove that p square on both sides. A power 2n, here 2 times n into n minus 1 by 2. 2 to get cancel. A 2 split n plus n, here n separate. 1 a separate, 1 combination, a r last term. Power n take outside. This is a power n, this is b power n. Here a power n, b power n. This is the complete for lecture number 10. I will explain lecture number 11 in the next class. Thank you, students.